Yo guys, it's nighttime. I just got done filming the end of today's video, but if you want to know about the stickers that I have, go ahead and watch all the way to the end, or just jump there right now if you want to buy some stickers from me.
Today definitely feels a lot better than yesterday, guys. Not even gonna lie. We did have a couple little scary bits last night where the sprinkler went off and it woke me up and it horrified me. I was like, what is going on? My God, it's 12:30 at night. But where we parked, there's a sprinkler going off. Let me see if I can see it.
It's out there, and it's literally hitting the car.
I literally thought somebody was like trying to like steal one of my tires with like an impact gun, because it just I was like, what is happening? But yeah, so I'm awake, I'm feeling a lot better. I don't know what the heck was going on yesterday. There just must have been some kind of chemical imbalance, like where I was just like, yeah. But I don't feel like that today. What the heck? That's weird. Anyways, yeah, I'm feeling a lot better today, and I'm actually gonna go do laundry because I'm in the right headspace, I guess, for it. So let's get going to do laundry. And
Alright, so I'm not going to be washing that blanket. That cat doesn't need to be washed. That dog kind of needs a wash. Everything else got taken out from the back, so these bear pillows had that EF hood on them and they got dirty, so I'm gonna wash those. All my blankets, all my clothes. I would like to wash the seat. That's getting pretty dirty. I think I'm gonna take that off and wash it. Here we go. All right, there we go. Yeah, so I mean, it's just basically dirty from Hades' paws getting up there when they're wet or whatever. But yeah, so I think we're good. Once everything's in the wash, I just got to come back and vacuum, and we will be all set. Ain't that right, pup? All right. Bam. Hades, it's time to clean. Pretty sure you could even ask Hades right now, but it is clean in here. Bam! Even right there, where all the dust loves to build up. And we did top off the scent with this right here. It is from Chemical Guys. It's the premium air freshener and odor neutralizer. So pretty much every time I do laundry, I like to just wipe down the entire car and try to get the smell neutral. I do relatively good on like keeping bad smell. Like, I've never had somebody come in the element and be like, ew, it stinks in here. I do try my best to keep it smelling good. I mean, what's this right here? This Air Whiz double action 2-in-1 odor eliminator air freshener with lavender. I love the smell of lavender. It definitely helps me feel zen and relaxed. So I always have like a lavender scent somewhere. And I mean, these air fresheners are all out of scent, but those are just now for looks. But if you go under my front seat here, you will see that I also have these gel things, and this is basically a fresh scent box, and I mean, it still smells super good. And whenever you're just like, I want some more, you just shake it up, and oh man, it's already smell. And that's like a clean linen scent. So I mean, no matter what, you're just you're getting good smells in here, and none of it's really too overpowering, which is a good thing. So Oh, I think our clothes are almost done, so I'm probably gonna go check those right now. Alright guys, so I had actually lost my camera there for a bit, and I didn't know where it was. Funny enough, it was underneath one of my cushions to my bed. But right now, we're actually not getting any power to this jackery, which is plugged in to my cigarette lighter back here. Let's see. There you go. See that orange sticking out? Okay, I'm gonna play with it. Okay, 46. We normally pull 70. So there we go. There's the sweet spot. Alright, so I had stopped over at my parents'. My dad called me and was like, hey, you got all this mail. And I was like, mail? I was like, what do you mean I got mail? I was like, I don't think I've ordered much of anything as of late. And then I had forgotten that when I went to the Honda Element meet, somebody had put weather stripping like in their door jamb to cut down on wind noise, and so I bought some, and it totally slipped my mind. So I picked that up, and then Pop's Garage had also sent me a shirt. So bam, I got a Pop's Garage shirt. I'll do some modeling for you in a little bit. But I'm gonna go to Taco Bell right now because I haven't eaten all day, and I believe the new $5 box is out for this month, and I want to give it a shot. So I'm gonna go grab that. And my parents were like, "Ooh, Taco Bell!" I'm like, "Yeah, Taco Bell." So I'm gonna pick them up $5 boxes as well, and we'll probably end up back at their place for the evening, and then I'll take off and probably go sleep somewhere in the Fremont area tonight, because we are getting close to EF versus DA, and I'm gonna just want to be closer to San Leandro area. So that's the game plan. That is the game plan. All right, guys. So like I said, I was gonna change, and I definitely changed. Bam. Got my Pop's Garage on. And we are actually going to be putting on this weather stripping right now to right all over around there. So I have successfully put on 2 levels of protection all the way up. They go all the way through. Bam. Coming all the way down. So this second one ends right here, and then this one goes down to the door jamb. I honestly am curious to see if this cuts down on wind noise, because like half the time I feel like the door's just opening and closing super fast, which is allowing wind to get in. So maybe I'll try to add a little strip onto here as well. We'll see. All right, guys, so we're kind of winding down here. It is nighttime, and we are just vibing in a parking lot. And I've shot this once already, but it was a while ago, and it's for my first run of stickers. I actually got stickers made, and it just says Herb's Element. Heck yeah, dude. And I put in an order for 100 of them. I have already given some out to people that were at the Element meet up in Santa Cruz. But for the rest of these, I want to I want to sell them to you guys. And they're pretty small. Like I said, they're my first run, first attempt. I mean, that's it in my hand. It's just a little 2x2 sticker, and so I wasn't sure how to price them, you know, because since they're only 2x2, they're pretty small, man. They're pretty small. So I was thinking $5 for 4 stickers. You know, I feel like that's fair. And I know that my channel's still small and I don't have like a big reach, and I just got 100 of them because I was like, okay, let's be real, I'm not gonna sell 100 stickers, but I figured for the people who have been supporting me and do want something like a Herb's Heck Yeah sticker, like my very first run of stickers, I mean, I don't think it could get much better. So email me, DM me on Instagram. I'll leave my links below to all my socials. And like I said, just DM, email, and I'll get back to you. Let me know how many you want, and we could work out a price. But for right now, if you want 4, it's going to be $5. Just give me your address, and I'll give you my PayPal or Venmo, Cash App, whatever works best for you, and I will ship you out some stickers, guys. And with that honestly being said, I think we're gonna call it a night, because I just want to relax, and it's been a fun day, not gonna lie. Woke up feeling better, did some laundry, nice little recap for today, got to see my parents, got some mail, got my new Pop shirt. What's up? That's awesome. If you haven't checked out his YouTube channel, Pop's Garage, definitely give him a shot, because he does some really good work out there on his channel, and I mean, he's also just a really good guy. So alright guys, I will see you in the next video. Hopefully some of you guys want some stickers, because I got some, man. I got some right here for you. Hit me up.